Hey there, everybody. This is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to talk about blogs. Blogs are a lot of fun to make and can help you get your opinion or maybe your progress on a hobby or really anything you want to communicate on a regular basis out to other people on the internet, which basically means everybody else in the entire world. So I'm going to go over one simple way to make a blog. All you have to do, first of all, is get a Google account. And you can get a Google account just by clicking where it says Gmail. And if you don't already have an account, it will prompt you to create one. All you need is, a username, password, and the usual stuff. You create a Google account. And once you have a Google account, then what you're going to do is you're going to click on these 9 dots right there. Once you click on the 9 dots, you're going to see all these products that Google offers. And what you're going to do is you're going to click down here where it says more, and you're going to see right down here it says Blogger. You're going to click on Blogger, and that takes you to Google's blogging platform. Right here it says create new blog, and it'll list whatever blogs you've already created. But you click on create new blog with your left mouse button. You name the blog something. We're gonna call this blog test blog. So then what you do is after you've named the blog, you create an address. So we would call this something like my test blog dot, and everything ends, because it's Blogger, everything ends with .blogspot.com. So you would just click on that, and now our address is mytestblog at mytestblog.blogspot.com. But of course it says, the address is unavailable because somebody else has already used it. So then you might need to go to my great test blog at blogspot. No, that's not available either. So you just basically go until you create, we'll just put in some random numbers there. Great. So nobody has chosen 2165146, my super great test blog at .blogspot.com. So that's available. So then we can click on create blog. You can choose a theme right there. And then you find a domain name for your blog and you connect it instantly. So we're going to say search. And so if you wanted to, you could buy a domain to connect to that. And what that means is when you initially sign up for a blog, say on Blogger, as we've seen, your domain name is whatever it is .blogspot.com, which is great if you are doing this for fun, or you just want to communicate to people, or you are just doing it for a hobby or something like that. But if you're doing this to eventually try and get a big audience and make money, you're doing it as some sort of a commercial venture, then you really want a what they call a top level domain, which would be something like testblog.com. As you can see, it's unavailable. So if you wanted testblog.enterprises, it would cost you $30 a year to buy that. But if you did buy that, then you would have greater control over your website, over your blog, ads being run on it, and stuff like that. So once again, we're just going to assume this is a hobby. We're not going to purchase a domain, and then that's basically all you've got to do. From here, you would log into your blog, and then you would click on New Post, and then you would type something out. We'll just type some nonsense, and then we will click Publish. And you can then share it on Google Plus. You can add people to it. You can send it to people. We're going to say cancel. And then if we go to the blog, if you see right here, it says view blog. There's our post right there. And there's a title of our blog. Up here, it's the name of our blog, which is blah, 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 my supergreattestblog.blogspot.com. There's the post we just put up. And you'll have your name right there. And that's basically it. That's how you create a blog. And you can update it as often as you like. You can get back into it by going back to this other tab right here. Or if for some reason you accidentally close both of these tabs, all you have to do is open a new tab. You open a new tab by clicking on the plus sign to the right of any open tab. Click on your 9 dots, the upper right hand corner. Go down to more. Click on Blogger. And there you are. That'll take you to your blog right there. And if you want to, you can view the blog right there. You can view all your posts right there. There's the only one we've made. And you can create a new post by clicking right there. And that is how you make a blog. I hope everybody found today's video helpful. And if so, please click like and share the post. And please subscribe to my channel. If anybody needs in-home computer repair in the Memphis area, please feel free to call Dave Bensman at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.